Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ev, and oh my god, I can finally show you guys my room tour. Months and months and months and months and months, and what feels like an eternity later, I can finally show you guys what my room looks like now. So let's get started. Go into my finished room. It's actually still not finished. There's a lot I have to do, but ta-da! I'll give you guys a full scope of everything, as you can see here, and then I'll go through like each little thing that I redid. Super big area, but still had to reinvent it so that my space was a better reflection of who I am. You know, us artsy creative types can't stay stuck too long into one look, okay? We just can't. So as you guys can see, things are very illuminated in here, and it has to be like that because my room does not get any direct sunlight throughout the day. Maybe a few beams in the afternoon for like 20 minutes and only in the one window. So I do have a lot of lights on in here right now so you guys can see everything. So if you first walk in and you go to the left, you're gonna see this situation here. On Instagram, I had asked you guys which plant I should get, and this is actually the plant that I ended up getting. I saw it last minute right as I was about to check out, and this is what I was looking for. The bamboo stalks in here actually are dark, so I did go with the dark bamboo stalks. But the leaves here, I don't know, these just look more realistic to me and not as plasticky and fake as the other ones did. So I really like this. I got this from At Home. I absolutely love it. And it's in a corner here. This is fake. And I think fake plants might be the way to go because real plants bring those little buggy things, and I've been trying to get rid of them for the longest. So in here is my closet. I did not paint my closet like I said I was going to. I got lazy, and yeah, it just hasn't happened. But this is all the stuff in my closet. I have a shelf up under there with like other things in there, but right now this is what things are looking like. Decently organized because things can't be too messy. I'm too OCD for that. Then we come over here to my fan. I actually usually have this on all the time and it oscillates and everything. I have it on because there's not a lot of ventilation in this room either. It's just not super great, so it's either really hot or really cold, and because it's the summer now, it's usually really hot. So I have that going most of the time, but I turned it off for this video. This is my blanket because, like I said, it's either really hot or cold, but I do have an entire basket of blankets. I got this basket from At Home also. I think it was only like 15 bucks. All the links for what I'm talking about will be down below in the description box, but the basket is from At Home. This blanket right here my mom made for me, and all these blankets were either Christmas gifts or just birthday gifts or whatever, but I am a cuddle muffin, so I need lots of things to cuddle with, and this just kind of helps me organize it without it being too tucked away and I have to pull it all the way out every single time. So next we are on to my bedside table. I only have one: tissues, clock, notebooks for journaling. This one says see good in all things. This one says with God all things are possible. And this one says life is short, live it. And this is actually my Kindle. It's not a book. But I keep these on my bedside table because I do like to meditate and journal in the mornings, and that has just been helping my peace of mind. Here are some coasters that I got from South Africa. when I was traveling last year. I think these are really cute and cool. And this lamp I think I got from Marshall's like a few years ago, which is like a little one of those, like, it reminds me of that Pixar lamp. You guys know what I'm talking about? The one that like hops in the beginning of the videos, in the beginning of the movies. Anyway, the drawers, I'm not gonna go through them because they're a little bit messy, but that's what they look like. And down there are some Bath and Body Works candles. Here we have a new rug. I like this kind of mandala looking style, I guess you could say. Mandala looking design on here. It's like a floral print sort of, but it's gray and white. I also got this from Marshall's. And now we are on to the bed, honey. Some things are the same, some things are different. I now have a duvet. I got the insert from Amazon, I believe, and I got the duvet from Joss & Main. This is a pinch pleat duvet, which I really like. And yes, it's white, but you can change it because it's a duvet, or you can just get another one if it gets stained or whatever. It's just, to me, it's easier to just like wash it, bleach it. If it falls apart, whatever, just get another one. So this pillow, this is called a paper shag pillow. I also have a paper shag rug. I've had this for a few years. This pillow case I actually got in South Africa. I love elephants, if you guys don't know, but I got this from South Africa, and I just put the stuffing in there. I got the stuffing from an old pillow, but I think you can actually get stuffing or like pillow inserts from Amazon. I got this little pillow here that says "Home is where the heart is." This gray design pillow I got from Marshall's years ago. And on the other side here, I actually got this pillow from Marshall's, I think, as well. This actually might have been from Bed Bath & Beyond, and this is from Marshall's, but I really like this. This is an off-white. It's like a creamish looking color, but you know, there's enough bright white in here to kind of like offset it a little bit, you know. The duvet cover comes with the matching pillowcases, and then I changed my sheets. I got some gray sheets recently just to go with the color theme of the room, okay, because I've been kind of like phasing out the teal a little bit. So the bed is the same, the bed frame is the same. I actually wanted a new bed, but I do kind of plan on moving soon, not like super soon, but within the year hopefully, and I do want to move to New York. So this is the most portable bed. And I think if I got a bed with any kind of like one you have to build, that's not as portable. So I'm just gonna keep this for now, and that'll just have to do until I move to where I want to be for realsies. And up here we have this map painting that I absolutely love. I think it looks so cool. One of the reasons this video took so long to get out is because I was waiting for this to get done. I think they do like, they're made to order, or like order, what is the phrase? Made to order or whatever. When you order it, that's when they make it. And this I got from elephantstock.com. I once again will link as much stuff as I can down below in the description box, but it is a map, a canvas painting of a map, and I really like it. So over here, don't get blinded, is a basic little Walmart lamp that has two tiered light bulbs or whatever, but the light bulbs I have in here are daylight light bulbs because, like I said, my room does not get a lot of light, so I want things to be bright and fresh. Over here, this is my floor length mirror. You guys have seen this before in my other room tours, I think. And the paper shag rug that I was talking about down here. And moving on to the real plants of the room, all right, I have this Messingina plant. You guys have seen me repot these, and the pots I actually got from Target. Well, this massive pot I got from Target. That one I think I got from Ross a couple of years ago. That one's an aloe vera. I haven't decided if that's where I'm going to keep that plant, but this is what things are looking like. Technically, this is like a tree. It's not just like a plant. And it has gotten taller since I got it, maybe like a month and a half ago. So I got to keep up with that. But those two are real. I do have to water them. This is my cat. She's just dying to get out. Be free, Raven. Be free. Over here on the top of my dresser, I have a picture. I got that from HomeGoods. It says just a girl who decided to go for it. I have my 100K card from my mom and my sister, my baby trophy, my actual plaque. My 100K plaque is in the studio, so that would be a different video, y'all. But this is a peppermint candle I got a few days ago. It just helps me relax and calm down. Mint is a very calming, relaxing, helps to relieve stress type of a situation. And this is a doll that I got from South Africa. I had actually given it to my aunt, but she has since passed away, and so I got it back shortly after I gave it to her, and my aunt's name was Helen, so now I call this my Helen doll. And these are a couple elephant souvenirs that I got from, one of them is from Egypt and the other one is from South Africa. Now we are on to my dresser-esque situation. You guys have seen this before. This is a jewelry box. Right here is where the candle goes when I'm not burning it, but I obviously wouldn't burn it in there. This is where I keep my playbills. I collect my playbills because if you guys didn't know, I absolutely love Broadway. So I keep my playbills and my tickets and stuff like that. I've seen the Beauty and the Beast, I think, like 3 times. But yeah, I used to live closer to New York, so it was easier to go to plays and Broadway back then, but not so much anymore. So I gotta get back on it, y'all. This is a jewelry tray, elephant jewelry tray. Back there is a cup from when I went to New Orleans with my friends. And this is also a little trinket that I got from Egypt as well. Just to keep like small little jewelry pieces and things that I can put in there and know that's where I left it, and I don't have to like dig through here to get to it, you know? So here is a lamp that I got from Bargain Hunt. I think it was half off. I think they sell these lamps at Target. This is by Project 62. If I can find it, I will link it, but this was not full price when I got it, and I don't know why. It's perfectly fine, but I love it. And it kind of creates softer lighting in the evenings if I don't want such harsh bright light from those lamps over there. And then this is a yucca cane plant. You guys saw me repot this as well. And this is also from Target, this potter, this plant stand thing. This is real also, so super cute. Gotta keep the air fresh, lots of oxygen flowing, okay? Here I have this jewelry box that I got from either Overstock, Wayfair. I seriously do not remember. I don't remember where I got it from, but it's a mirrored jewelry box stand thing. The one thing I don't necessarily like about it is that it doesn't have the dividers on the inside. But I do still like how spacious it is. I can fit a lot of things in here. My earrings and stuff used to be sitting out, and now I'm just kind of more into a tucked away look. I don't want things sitting out as much as they used to be. Ideally, I would probably get a standing jewelry box, one that I could just like keep for the rest of my life. But I like this one. Not that I wouldn't keep this one too. I like this one. It's just not super spacious to keep everything. So this is something that I'm gonna kind of keep for a little bit until I get what I really want. But for now, it is very spacious. I do really like it. It came packaged very well and it is super nice, and I like how it's mirrored because I think it matches my mirror on the other side really well. Here you guys have seen my makeup mirror before. It's like super magnified because I have my eye condition and everything. All of my makeup. I switched up my look a little bit. This is like a marbled makeup stand, I guess you could say. This is where I have like my vanity situation. It is not in my bathroom because I don't have anywhere to sit in my bathroom. But this is where all of my makeup and stuff is. A little bit of the same old, but these are different. These holders are different. I got these from Marshall's. I got this cute little plant from Target, and I also got this, I guess, like plated thing, this marble plated thing. It actually was a dessert stand, and I just took the top off because it matched the rest of my decor. I didn't need it to be like super elevated or anything. So this is my computer, my desk, mouse pad. It's an elephant with headphones and glasses. This is my life. This is me. This is my life. But I have my headphones here. These are the Sony M3s. They're noise canceling. I absolutely love them. The stand though, I got from Amazon. This is my Blue Yeti microphone. This is what I do my voiceovers with. It's a USB mic and it's really good. I love it. This is I don't know what you call this style of a lamp, but a desk lamp, but I do really like it. I actually use this for my lives whenever I go live, either on Instagram or on YouTube, because you can change the direction of the light and like illuminate yourself, you know what I mean? And that is pretty much it for the desk. The chairs are the same. You guys have seen the chairs before. I actually thought about getting a clear chair to go there instead of that one, because it's covered right now in fabric, but it definitely is broken underneath and I can hear it like click whenever I sit down. So I do need a new one, but I like the fact that it rolls. I like the fact that this rolls. And these are my Alex drawers. You guys have seen these before. But that is pretty much my double desk vanity workspace situation. And then over here, this little area is still kind of a work in progress. I have a pillow that used to be on my bed, but now I just like lay on this. Even if I have makeup on and stuff, it's just a pillow I don't care about, so I don't get the rest of my bed or pillows dirty. This is my backpack purse that I take with me everywhere. It has all my stuff in it. This is my phone. I actually leave my phone plugged up on the other side of the room so I won't be tempted to look at it all night or like pick it up if a notification goes off. So that's why it's over here and not plugged up over there. And then I have my laptop. I actually need a new laptop. Do you guys see this cord right here? Some more electrical tape ASAP. I need a new laptop like so bad, just because there's not a lot of space on this one. This one is only 128, and if I'm gonna like keep photos and more things on there, I just need more space. So yeah. And this bench, you guys have seen this bench before. At least I think you have. This little upholstered bench. It's teal. I have two of them. One of them is now in the bathroom and the other one is here, just somewhere for me to sit in case I want to put on my shoes or whatever and then grab my stuff and go. And that's the trash can, obvi. This door here goes into the bathroom, but I'm not gonna show you guys that because that I have not done at all, y'all. Like, that is not finished at all. And this picture here, this canvas situation, I wish it were real wood. That would be so cool. But this is Jeremiah 29:11, and you guys have seen this, I think, in every place I've ever lived, because it's just a constant reminder that God has a plan for you and that you just gotta team up spiritually with big God upstairs and that everything is going to work out. It's all gonna be okay. So I have this hanging all the time, and it's just a verse that I live my life by. And now we are back to the original entryway, exitway, and this is the hallway. So yeah. So guys, that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed the room tour. I was finally able to get it out for you. I'm so glad I got to film this because I did not know when this video was ever gonna be finished. I felt like it was just never gonna be finished because I was ordering so many things. It just took a while with quarantine and COVID and everything for it to get here. And so now I finally feel like it's finished enough for me to show you. This wall over here, actually behind my double desk, that's still blank. I was gonna hang up my circle shelves, but I just feel like there's a leaving in my spirit. I really want to either move to New York or move to Philly. So I just don't want to put any more holes in the wall, not because I couldn't, but because I just don't believe I'm gonna be here too much longer. So yeah, this is as much decorating as I'm gonna do. I feel like the space just reflects who I am a lot better, and I am a lot more comfortable now, because before, y'all, I was just I just can't. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this room tour. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Remember to let your spirit, soul, and hair stay lifted like an Afro puff, and subscribe down below to my world so you don't miss any more videos from me. And if you do, then I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.